Hi, I'm Shannon Pulliam from the University of Illinois Extension, and today we are making a summer squash onion packet. For this recipe, you will need 2 small yellow summer squash or zucchini, or one of each, 1 small onion, 1 tablespoon butter or margarine, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Gently rub produce under cold running water before preparing ingredients. Cut summer squash or zucchini into 1/4 inch rounds. Cut onion in half and then into thin slices. Gather 2 large pieces of foil. Divide cut squash and zucchini evenly between foil pieces. Divide butter and black pepper evenly between foil packets. Fold foil to seal all sides. To bake, preheat oven to 350 degrees and bake in foil for 30 to 45 minutes. And this is your summer squash onion packet.
Eat, Move, Save.